the role of sleep position in snoring, tips for a quieter night. Sleep position significantly influences snoring tendencies. Back sleeping often worsens snoring, as gravity narrows the airway and causes the tongue and soft palate to collapse. Side sleeping is usually recommended, as it keeps the airway open and reduces vibrations. Using a body pillow or elevating the head slightly can also help. Positional therapy, like wearing a tennis ball-attached shirt to discourage back sleeping, can be effective. Another solution can be using an anti-snoring pillow can be an effective way to eliminate snoring. Grab it today on our site at SnoreSlayer.com.